Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me explain my journal in this ICSTR event. My journal about real-time measurement of solar cell current and voltage to predict battery capacity using IoT technology with ESP32 microcontroller. Introduction, my name is Sony Asmaul Fuadi at PT PLN Pusdiklat from Indonesian and Mr. Aryo Dwi Prabowo at PT PLN Pusdiklat in Indonesian. Number one, this problem. Background, urban scale photovoltaic is a power generation system that has a power capacity that is commonly used by household in urban and semi-urban area. Photovoltaic system commonly used in power capacity ranging from 220 450 900 1 and 300 up to 2 and 200 watt. To find out battery capacity of solar cell, there are three methods used, namely, number one, direct measurement with constant current. Number two, measurement of electrolyte specific gravity. And number three, estimate capacity based on voltage measurement. Problem. The method that used in this paper estimate capacity based on voltage measurement. How to approach the measurement of solar cell battery capacity is to multiply the voltage and current as well as the time needed until the end cell voltage to obtain volt ampere hours value. By dividing volt ampere hours with the battery voltage, I will often obtain ampere hours from the battery. Working principle IoT. Number two. This block diagram. Battery capacity measurement design in the green line area. Number one, relay module. The relay module function as a coil contactor magnetic breaker, so the supply is automatically reconnected to battery and the load after measurement. This relay module will disconnect the contactor when in the measurement process the end voltage of battery has been reached. Here, the relay module as output is controlled by ESP32. Beside electronic circuit, Number 2, magnetic contactor. Magnetic contactor in the design drawing serves to disconnect the main source of the battery and the load used to test the battery so as not to be affected by source. Beside this contactor product Simon. Number 3, sensor. The sensor consists of CT or current transformer and voltage transformer. CT sensor. The working principle of measuring current and voltage can be explained as follows. HES current sensor 712. HES 712 is a sensor module to measure current, both alternating current and DC current using Hall effect technology. What is meant by the Hall effect is to flow the load path measure through a copper conduction medium to produce a magnetic field. The selected HES 712 module is HES 712 minus 30 ampere for current measurement in the range of minus 30 ampere to 30 ampere. And beside electronic circuit, after CT sensor is VT sensor. VT sensor or voltage transformer. The function to transfer high voltage to low voltage by using a resistor circuit that is used to measure the voltage on a battery. Function of the sensor to measure the length of time from the initial voltage measurement to the final voltage and or end voltage according to the type of battery, where for the type of alkaline battery and voltage is 1 volt per cell, and for the acid battery and voltage 1.8 volt per cell, which will use as an analog input ESP32. The voltage divider formula is as follow. V2 equal R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Multiple by V in or V input. Number 4, ESP32. ESP32 function as a microcontroller that process the analog input current sensor, which will be used for calculation in predicting battery capacity. The capacity of battery itself is to declare the amount of electric current ampere battery that can be supplied to external circuit or load within a certain time hours. To provide a certain voltage battery capacity, ampere hours is stated as follows. C equal E multiply by T, where C battery capacity ampere hours, E equal the amount of current flowing ampere, T time hours, and beside this ESP picture. Battery capacity prediction in ESP32. This formula defined by the prediction as shown below. Tn voltage defined from VT sensor as below the diagram. V initial minus V determine divided by T determine minus T initial equal V initial minus Vn divided by Tn minus T initial. T equal Tn equal V initial minus Vn divided by V initial minus V determine multiple T determine, and average current defined from CT sensor with resistance load constant as below diagram. R equal V initial divided by E initial equal V n divided by In. In equal Vn divided by V initial multiple E initial, and E equal En loss E initial divided by 2. This is equal average current. Firebase number 5. Firebase. Use Firebase here because it has function as a real-time database which is used to store data from sensor through ESP32 in real time. The sensor data stored earlier will later be processed and displayed through the web application for the monitoring process. Number 6, web application. The web application here actively function as a processor and data monitoring viewer of the battery or battery capacity. The flowchart of the web application shown is as follows. We begin, start, and then input baterai specification, breaking of magnetic contactor, reading data sensor, and then the IoT work the calculation. And then if the C measure more than 80%, the battery is in good condition. Meanwhile, if the result under 80%, warning the user to replace battery and finish. Result, baterai capacity prediction ampere hours. The result of capacity measurement can be seen in the table. As you can see in the table, all the prediction in 5 testing between 42.82 until 49.1. Based on the result, the capacity under 80%, we recommended to replace the battery. Conclusion number 1, battery prediction result can be known well with error level less than 5%. And number 2, can measure the capacity of battery online so that it can know the condition of battery in good condition or not condition. Number 3, the only tool in the world to measure battery capacity prediction in real time and online. That is all, and thank you.